Very good morning to you. Thank you so much for making time for us.
I know, ngiyathokoza kakhulu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabingelela abalaleli emakhaya, ngibingelele kuzona zonke kaMaskandi. Ngithi nje salute kona wonke umuntu.
Yeah, how do you feel? How do you feel this morning that you guys are about to go into this tour?
I think it's another chapter of my career, because if you've done a lot in the industry, sometimes you need to come up with something new that will attract more people on your brand. Now is the time for me to go abroad to represent our unique genre, of which is Maskandi. Because I've done a lot in South Africa, and I think so is Kati, so with manje. Ngingafani, previously abaculi, especially bakaMaskandi, badumala in South Africa, then begcine phelela amagama abo la. Uthola ukuthi banamagama amakhulu. They need to go and sell this thing kwabanye amazwe. So this time now,
you don't have that problem though. You are big here at home.
Yes, I'm big here. I don't have a problem with that. I appreciate it. But now I have to go and show other countries who we are. You see, so that nabanye abantu bezobona ukuthi South Africa has got a talent.
South Africa is very talented. I don't know if you've seen that phrase that is trending, no DNA, just RSA, which speaks to how much we love the country, but also how talented the country is in various competitive, whether it is sports or even beauty pageants and competitions. And here you are amongst those people.
Uyayibona lento engishoyo ukuthi sine talent, but italent lethu sigcina singasakwazi ukuthi libonwe abanye abantu. Mawufika e-USA wearing these traditional attires, people they just turn with you and they ask to take a photo with you. Because babona into abangaze beze beyibona ukuthi these people they wearing something like animal, you see. So we need to go and show this thing outside of South Africa. We need to sell ourselves, because in South Africa inothile iphethe yonke into, sports, umculo iphethe yonke into. So this is the time now. Umaskandi mele uhambe. That's why I appreciate le tour.
This tour. Tell us how the idea of the tour came about and why United Emirates as well.